Alright, so we got Link here. Broke this little zone here that I drew, so price is bullish. It's above this moving average, but I don't think it's going to go much higher than this. So I remember marking this out. I mean, there's just way too much resistance in this area here. You can see this weekly so far has been very bullish though, and it's engulfing last week's. But I don't see this going much higher. And if we're looking at a longer time frame here, I mean, you do have significant support down here. You know, anything above $5, it wants to get bought up, but anything above, or anything below $5, $5.50 kind of thing, it gets bought up, but anything above 8 gets sold off. So I would be looking for a short position. Obviously there's this major zone, but we'll delete this for now. I think $8 is kind of your safety net here. So anything above $8 I would probably sell. And then so I'd be looking for something like this. Can fine tune this stop and this zone as price gets up. I would probably honestly just say this to be really fair. It would be something like this. We'll see what price does when it hits this area, but I do think anything above $8 is a good sell. And I'd probably just target the bottom of this zone again. You don't really, I mean, there is this major zone and it might go to that, but your first kind of, you know, your safe bet is kind of selling, shorting from $8 to 7 right here. I think is perfect. You kind of just have these two little, you know, just put this here. Just a real simple trade for you. So 8 down to 7. And I think that's lining up pretty quick here. I'll just put a little $7 here. So yeah, I think that's your move for Chainlink. Let price come back up to this zone and see what it does. And if it starts rejecting and it starts giving us bear structure forming, then you know, we'll take that trade. Probably make 5-6 R. So totally worth it. As far as like a month, it usually moves $2, $1. Yeah, I mean $1 is definitely between $1 and $2 is definitely within range. So and this whole trade's only $1, so between $8 to $7, only $1. So totally reasonable for it to hit that. We'll put this here. We're just shooting for September here, something like that. Real nice. So yeah, that's Chainlink. I think it's a good short relatively soon. If it gets above $8, I would sell that all the way down to 7.